Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the language bar is missing from taskbar in Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select time and language. On right side select typing. Just need to scroll down and select advanced keyboard settings. You just need to select language bar options. Select floating on desktop and now checkmark show additional language bar icons in the taskbar and show text label on the language bar. Checkmark both boxes and select this and select apply and OK for save changes. Uncheck this option guys. Use the desktop language bar when it is available. Now as you can see the language bar is available now. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.